If you've lost access to your Cash App account and cannot use your phone number, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access using alternative methods. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your device. If you have not already done so, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, tap on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email address or the debit card linked to your Cash App account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may be asked to provide information such as your email address or the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 4. Use email for recovery. If you cannot access your phone number, choose to receive a verification code via email. Check your inbox for the email from Cash App and enter the code in the app. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Cash App account without your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance.